Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ford Transit grill. First, gather your tools, which typically include a Phillips head screwdriver, an 8mm or 10mm socket, and a plastic trim removal tool. Always ensure your van is parked on a flat, stable surface with the engine off. Before you begin, take a moment to identify all visible bolts and clips holding the grill in place. This preparation helps prevent accidental damage during removal. Now let's start detaching the grill. Begin by removing any bolts you found, often 10mm, usually located along the top or behind the license plate. Next, use your trim removal tool to carefully pry around the edges of the grill. Many Ford Transit grills are held by a series of plastic clips that require gentle but firm pressure to release. Work your way around, releasing one clip at a time, being mindful not to scratch the paintwork. Once all the clips and bolts are released, you can gently pull the grill straight away from the vehicle. It should come off with minimal resistance if all fasteners are disengaged. After removal, take a moment to inspect your grill for any cracks, broken tabs, or other damage. Also, check the mounting points on your Ford Transit for any leftover debris or broken clip pieces, ensuring a clean surface for reinstallation or a new grill. When you're ready to reinstall, align the grill carefully with its mounting points before pushing it back into place. You should hear the clip snap securely. Then, reinsert and tighten all bolts. Double-check that the grill is firmly seated and doesn't wobble. For more helpful tips on vehicle maintenance and even personal finance, check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other exclusive deals just for you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.